education was a primary focus for Prime Minister Andrew Holness last week. At the Future Ready conference on Wednesday, Mr. Holness announced that plans were being discussed for the establishment of a science, technology, engineering, and mathematics STEM Innovation Teaching Center. This is to be constructed within the National Heroes Circle surrounding in Kingston. It aligns with the redevelopment of Heroes Circle, which will include a new Parliament building and other structures to house the various government ministries and agencies.
I'm very careful that we should locate strategic buildings in areas that make logical sense. You don't want to put your strategic buildings in places where you can't access them, infrastructure is not there. So we have a plan for the redevelopment of the Hero Circle area, which is in proximity to Jamaica. And I'm certain that within that plan, we will find a space for the STEM Teacher Innovation Center.
At the conference, the Prime Minister declared Jamaica as a STEM island.
So today, I am pleased to declare Jamaica as a STEM island with a vision of fostering innovation, driving economic growth, and empowering our people to thrive in the global knowledge economy. Through our collaborative all-hands-on-deck approach, government, private sector, academia, and civil society, we will work towards this goal.
Jamaica already boasts 4 centers for excellence for STEM set up with the support of the Heart NSTA Trust, and the government has begun the process of constructing 6 STEM schools across the island.
Meaning schools that will be pulled out of the traditional modality of education, run under a different education regulation that is designed specifically to promote this agenda of developing the Jamaican who does not fear mathematics, does not fear engineering, does not fear science, that embraces it and that will use it for the creation of value for the Jamaican people.
Among other initiatives, last year, the STEM Tertiary Education Program was launched to support 1,250 Jamaican students. It's for them to pursue a STEM teaching career at the Jamaica University over the next 5 years.
We will implement comprehensive STEM education reforms from the primary to the tertiary levels. We will develop ecosystems to encourage startups, entrepreneurs, and innovators. We will encourage the growth of STEM industries such as biotechnology, information technology, and advanced manufacturing. We will also leverage STEM to grow and monetize the musical, artistic, cultural, and other natural talents of our people.
Prime Minister Holness says the government will also seek to leverage STEM solutions to address environmental challenges, including climate change, renewable energy, and sustainable agriculture. He explains that the broader vision is to develop a skilled workforce capable of competing in global markets. The vision also includes positioning Jamaica as a hub for STEM research, innovation, collaboration, and other developments in the Caribbean and beyond.
By embracing STEM as a national priority, Jamaica will unlock its full potential, driving prosperity, peace, and productivity in a sustainable and equitable way for all our Jamaican citizens and indeed for the world.
And reacting to the sad news of the death of a former recipient of the Prime Minister's National Youth Award for Excellence, Mr. Holness expressed deep sadness at the tragedy. 29-year-old C.J. Cunningham was shot and killed by gunmen on Saturday. As a young entrepreneur, Mr. Cunningham was the owner and CEO of Fairfoods Farm Jamaica, which incorporates greenhouse technology. He received the 2022 Prime Minister's National Youth Award for Excellence for Agriculture and Agro-Processing. Mr. Holness says his innovative approach to farming and dedication to his community was evident in every aspect of his work. The Prime Minister also strongly condemned the shooting death of Carson Bennett, a student at the Grange Hill High School in Montego Bay. A female student was also injured in that incident. And that's it for Jamaica House Weekly. Be sure to join us next time for more of the news stories coming out of the office of the Prime Minister.